Hello everyone and welcome back. Justin Muzinski again with Orlando International Relocation Realty, and today we're covering part 3 of 3 financial decisions you have to make before buying a house. And we have covered credit score, down payment, and today we will be covering your mortgage payment, which is one of the biggest part that everybody forgets about. You don't think of your mortgage payment as the biggest part of home purchase, but that's actually the third financial planning decision you have to make before buying a house. So exactly how do you determine your mortgage payment? Well, guess what? That's actually one of the things that your lender, your mortgage broker, your banker, whoever is helping you get a loan for your mortgage, that's the first thing they should be helping you figure out. And they will figure that out based on your income, based on obviously your credit, based on the other 2 things that we covered before, your down payment, your credit, and obviously your income. Those will determine what your mortgage payment will be every month. Now, let's get some things straight. If your mortgage broker comes back and tells you, for example, that your mortgage payment will be, your monthly mortgage payment will be, let's say, $1,500 a month, and that's all you have at the end of every month, that's all you have left, that may not be a really good idea to buy a house, because that's not going to be it. On top of your mortgage payment, which most lenders will include other things like the taxes, the insurance, they may include that in your mortgage payment, but if they don't, those are extra expenses. So you have to calculate your annual property taxes, which will be added to your mortgage payment, obviously. You have to calculate your homeowners insurance. You have to calculate your HOA or homeowners association fees, all those extra fees, and you have to add maintenance fees for your home, unless you want it, you don't want to maintain your home, or things that may go wrong, may go wrong that you may have to repair. Let's say the AC breaks down, as we covered in the last part. So there are extra expenses that you have to add on top of your mortgage payment that they give you, whatever that is. So in other words, that $1,500 a month, unless it includes taxes, insurance, and which in most cases it does, but if you put that 20% down, it doesn't have to. You can pay that separate. Personally, I prefer everything in one payment. So if my mortgage broker tells me that my mortgage payment every single month is going to be $1,500, I expect that to be everything. I expect that to be my principal and interest, my taxes, annual taxes, my homeowners insurance, all in one. And in most cases, as I mentioned, they are. Homeowners association fees, or HOA, that's an extra fee that cannot be included in the monthly mortgage payment. So you have to add that separate, and you have to pay attention to that when you are looking for a house, and when you are looking for what your monthly payments are going to be. And then of course you have to add additional maintenance fees that you may have to pay every single month. So that is, mortgage payment is the third part of our series for the 3 things you need to know before buying a home, the 3 decisions you need to make before buying a home. Again, we covered your credit, we covered your down payment, and now we're covering your monthly mortgage payment, which is, for most people, that's the most important part. I mean, if you are paying $1,500 a month on rent and you can pay that same as owner, why won't you buy? Because once you buy your own home, I mean, that's just the beauty of it. Once you sign on those dotted, hundreds and hundreds of dotted lines at your closing, and you get the keys to your home, and you can paint it neon blue or whatever color you want and not have to worry about the landlord telling you to, change it back when you move and you don't have a place to go. That is the beauty of buying your own home. Want to know exactly what your monthly mortgage payment will be, including all the other extra fees? There are some online calculators, online tools that can help you with that. If you have a really good real estate agent, which I'll be happy to help, they can help you as well. Your mortgage broker can definitely help you. So there is tools that you can use to figure out what your exact mortgage payment will be and make sure that it's something you are very, very comfortable with over the term they're on, because circumstances change, I understand, but you want to be comfortable, because that will be one of the biggest part of your bills will be your housing. So make sure it's something you're super comfortable with. If you have any questions about any of these, feel free to message me or visit our website. We actually have a mortgage calculator on our website that you can use. There's mortgage calculating tools, on many websites that you can use. So please, we'll be more than happy to assist. This has been the end of our series for the 3 decisions you have to make before buying a house. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Jocelyn Mizinski, Orlando International Relocation. If you have not watched some of the previous videos before this, please be sure to check out our other videos that should be popping up about right now, and let us know if we can help. Thank you for watching.